so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes. I'm so happy watching her mesmerized by the eyes.
This program is proudly sponsored by
Trinity of Art. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world.
Kwabna adoma.
Ebusia for ye mo bibia akwaba edi mo bad the experiences in life jumedi ani twi mo ne yato ne din se mama ne hono nti mani adaho ebusia amane ebe ne to wa eni wani adaho en social ben so na wukomu a se nyame nti ase a enka wo ye wo ho bone eno nti no unim se me gimadwa say dia na me ne akukudamfo abrempon etitirufo na ye tenase na ye bobo hu na ye discuss na ye nyina ya share life experience and as me di omo baso na omo so share omo life experiences na wa o hweme no unya bi etu koto dwanim ebusia na wonim se ye wie kran so na ye wie you ye sign counselors etitiru for etnase ebobo hu na wa chro ye komu no kwan a obefa so eti enne no ye nsa aka ye ankasa ye papa ya de nyina ye nua be ma ba ko pe Dada KD de oni se ye Dada KD dia ne nwom ye odo ho nwom nko a wodo oh fat ya fatam kroma jese ne nwom ne die bebre a jese mimi se mi nti hu jai kra ebusia ye ne ba be twetwe nkomo oni ye e ba be share ne life experiences kakra a wanya na wa wohwemi no wa fa bi etu hofo ye twa ye ho ye ba ye wetu aso.
Welcome to Trinity of Arc. We are assisting people getting their visas to the various countries.
We are teacher, accountant, anasa office assistant. We are construction worker, plumber, driver, anasa security. Our person who took Canada, USA, UK, Europe countries. Ne amaya hodwa ekaka hunyina. And they are not for when it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ya bwa ema wonya ejuma accommodation. Ya sanso ebwa hwese. Ubenya insurance
We are calling for people who want to study alone or to work alone. People who want to study and work at the same time.
So who person utu kwan wokoto and now person who call for visitor. When it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Trinity of Arc. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world. Medamas.
For Mudafo Nayas, me and make say.
Your family Theophilus Annan, the doubting Thomas. Me say echinienti ena mpanyimfo se yekum sonko so a ne yehwia ahwe.
Sa wo pesa wo ye obasima.
Se wo pe African wear a wo be pam a be da wo ho for all occasions dia.
Me kamfo baby ba ko pe ene dia ma wo. Eye kwabna adoma.
Obepam African wear dia maw ama washam na da ho ma wo ba obi hu say yes we a gentleman.
Womo pam mema niema, womo pam maniema, womo wo bags, womo wo shoes. Enya dia wo na ma na etiti anade wo tena ase a na ade tre ne bio.
Enya no nko a osanso wo slippers.
Omo wo in between Hatcho and the West Legon. ICJC asori ne nchen ho a.
Fa number no keke. Now the friend no, o friend na onu gbedi nkomo obeye wase dia ma.
Sky Gap Trends, Abnado Mama shop back na hadie abrochire niema nkoa ene ye ton wa ha sei titiru eye teki niema a eye original ye ton bags shoes tese bibia esiesie nipa ema wudi mu na wo ya brantie anase rabadie eye Sky Gap Trend back up a omo alaji tabora wonsani fa ho a eba African wear dia eye kwabnado ma eba abrochire niema ene teki niema papa dia eye Sky Gap Trends.
Hello, good afternoon. Me name is Ghana for more diaspora. My twamo, baby, I will be from Unisofori. Me go US, me Miami and Sam, me Sansu and Nest. And come on, me no more say online digital business. I cost and then I'm a person me no more check. Baby, I will be a sham family. That's open baby. I am open change in Quandia and no any online digital business. Yeah, yeah, but the way. I dare can see a woman is a business. Who to me, oh baby, the answer was laptop. computer internet wa connect no one no your mentor ni coach obedi dey utata kopim tam a wankasa won say yes why you successful in the business afini so a government be bro 1099 I'm all write you off for tax as a business owner before many measure esan say the business na ye no ese wani ensa o ka kire frame me na meka every detail of the business now also up to me be successful and then I'll meet you in the inside. Bye bye.
Ebusia for ye twa ye ho akwaba ye Dada KD honom na ye na akwakotwetwe nkomo about the life experiences na wa wo hweme no wanya aba afrimu ye nkoro ho Dada KD ye mo akwaba ede oba Angel TV dwumadia ya to ni din se mama ne hunu nti mani ada honom iti ye mo akwaba na ye Dada KD ono ne hwan cause Dada KD die mete wonwum na mi hwa ache na odo soso honwom de enyasem ketwa tie Dada KD one hwan
me didn't di kwakudia and said the maker no we are susa so bo ade ba wonyini na usua de a na wa ankasa watu ho asi abrabo kwan so obi a pese odi ye wa abrabom but usa oda yeso anasa se de opese hu wa abrabom no oda ho na samre usa untua bells nti aje bi asi wa dwene a na wo dwene ne nyina meyesei ne nyina meyesei
ne toka meyesei amame ma meyesei amam papa
ne nyina ye mframa ne momu be nyine na be hu sese eye adwuma ene be sasma meken abiti nipa bebre
okay
na se ne mesoma nya kwanya na se bia meka me pese mutie no se enye me na meka but eye mframa na utie a osofre mu aba na ye wo ye Africa na se tete ye Ghana no enye wo pe ene enye me pe se ya ba be ye ebia ye ni bi me nka se hiafo ohia de enye ni meka se wo ye broke because wo nya adwuma ena wusua na wo kane ma akese a wo be
wo akese
enti se wo nyiri wi a na wo hu se adwuma ta ato ansa na ede se wa hyebo enti pempi na na de ye dwen ene pese ebo ho pese ene abraba bona na emo abra ba se de meka no se wa nkunku ade a de meka na se eye bonus na odi afana sa no aka se ade achiwa wadi mfia ka se wadi afe sanse abraba no obia ne se de osibo no ibi da ya no mabo ibi su kuntunu ho no mabo se de meka no ye ma obia kwan ana obia nya kwanya se oka na brabo mu nsama ana je ba de meka na se to de bia na ye se ye twitwa ne akatekate ne asisi ni na ahye obi nso crime so obehu se enye ono nkwa na awe abrabo mu abrabo se de tie no obetima ha se kiki ebe wi achi ase enti ubeti obi de na odi acheche owe ese enfatu hunti na ama deduani wura den ahro nti mi hu abrabo se eye wo a untimi mfen ohuntu nipa so na ma ubetimi de oho ahwe nipa ho abobra de bia meka no se nipa be du hwambo but nyame ya yesom ne yehu ni nti no e de nipa na ede e be hwe omo ho ne akase o minya ya anka meti sefa eno ne de a good but so obey more jealous no I more envious no and then call dangerous because ekobasa o hwe se baby ani pani gina no ka ono no fro na ombra
ka ko gina ho ya
na o nkwa na ko gina ho ye anything am any brain no nanso aye hye ya be pie mu sanse utu kwan a tese kura o madi nkan no de obi am obi nti obi ani mrobi pa ye krom ha obeda be solo no obi kura twam keke wonka na hu ye nahi because me can say ebi afiti na pa no wonka mu ono to fita ono so akamu no ono so hu a ono so hu a ofi se na kura na nka mu ho na me kire no nti ye hu ye obi nye obi hwe nti eni nyina kanfua na koya abrabo na sɛ woyɛ biribi na sɛ wodi mu akotene pa na nipa ha se town.
Oh, okay.
Tell me hono.
Okay.
But
ususu sɛ ɛwɔ Ghana hanko ana sɛ ɛyɛ baabi a ɛna
me dia baabi a makɔ nyina efiti mi krom Kumase. Ebi sinkra ne tema me di twa mu kɔtena abrochire. Ɛho sɛ baabi a yɛn Ghana fo yɛwɔ no saa na ɛbɔ ɛbra.
Ɔtan wɔ.
Ani brɛ. Ɔtan. Ahoyɛ a. Efiri dompem.
Okay.
Enti sɛ de meka no me de metima ka sɛ me yɛ nipa. Nipa ho betima yɛ mahin. But sɛ me tan nipa de me nya bi da. Kyɛ sɛ de meka sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔsɛ nwum nyina yɛ ɔdɔ. Ɛnyɛ ɔdɔ sɛ ɔdɔ ho nwum kwa na meto. De nti ayɛ ɔdɔ no enkyerɛ sɛ bi ayɛ kutia nwum ana sɛ ɛyɛ romantic so sɛ no kana. Ɛyɛ na me pɛsɛ me infuse ɔdɔ no element ni wom sɛ ya if yɛ kutia nwum kra na ɛma wɔn kɔyɛ too envious and I say a besho kutupa ama akoye niema nyebo so me de no oh sanity
Dada KD mama ne hunti mani ada ho edie pa na obi di aye o ewa brabo mu a enei wani ada ho no ekɔ ho pa o a enei wani ada ho
well so na make say enipa bia ne wuhia no ne obetima aye
okay
eniti no de bia na me de me kasa de one way because me de mani hwa brabo mu enipa be mienu miesa bi na o matietie me fa ho de so de bia me de mu di nkomo because akoye say u rescue now try myself trim ebi wo ho ma obo trim ebi won so na reality but as am say yemfa ukrum kasa na e kasa fa ka ho asabiti no to de bia de wodi bi kika no ayi bi film na wa try na se de be de
okay
nipa obejeje wa brabo mu no ana se obema broken heart ana se obedi nya wa brabo mu no ne ho asem ene na adwene empa wo mu da
oh okay
like I'm saying ni nyina no dia unyina ere wa mu a ana se so bi enku a wa be wuti ne be bi wa no e ba gem me kan se eniema ewe din a obi betia wo na so but aya no wa gem ade a medwene ho kitwa kra wo mabrabo me se metenya na ha
okay
ya ka bia ye me mabrabo me nwene ga na ho ba akokra bi kuri me nwene ga na ho ba akokra bi
bia ye obibi pa se ya ma wani ata ho pa
ese ga na ne be wade ba ye modi nti na me pese me kire se nipa bi obeba wakwan mu bia no enima me no odeba
okay
wan fanchira
odo otan
ana se eyewe ama odo otan
okay
ana se serie ana esu me ma accept
yeah
nti de obi a ma supen bia no me bom pa yesa no so betena se osu bie simple obese share lo
yeah
sana brabotie enye se me wo sise me na me koshia na ye ne bie but me wo sise ono so be kosati bie no bie no obi be ne be so ono beti ase
Dada uji nyamidi
o sase mo kora de ade me manwa ehia se me kase bia me nchechi mu nyame agi ni die no oye nipa
yeah
ba wo hu no
yeah
oh na ye ha ase no se de tete ye nyamsumu no se wo ye kremoni a wo be kase o di aladi e kase bi mu but o kase be nyame di a eye nipa ena me hunu na yo se me gini die ade a me hunu ye de me point ni no me ntimi nyini because me ba ya wo se me bra hai ena me ba ha no bi en here so bi ha no be kasa na ha de brofo kase mo se 7 ena worshiping am say language no ye nti ase yes mo se yesum nyame ya den fa so mo se yesum nyame oti ase na nye nyame ya den wawu na se sum nyame ni o heti ase o ye dipa mo se me nye nyame ni enti se me 80 sana se me antikrasa efi se me ka asem wi a mo ye mi enso to a ebi to bi fie
Dada sa wo kan sa de na se onji nyame ndidi e be ye din sa wo de onua bi bone
nyame a me nyini
asa wo de nsem be hye wo mu mo
nyame a me nyini ni no onya me bone ni hu no aya me bone
okay
ne nipa oye nyame image na obole se ne se so no ompema sem because e bia office ne kasa bi nti na dwuma bi nti na ho fe bi nti ohu se ho ne ho fe no ana ofise bibia ono no ye no no wanimu ani nti no ono ne nyame America no ono ne nipa medi mani ho no na nyame de me de makota no nti nyame ya gini die na ye mframa o mi nyame die susu nyame abekume
okay
yes ene na before aye say ye ti Ghana no yes na ya ko heaven eni to obi am peso be kuro ye hwe to obi anya position bi na watre ho
Dada
it's a fact
Dada how dey yanko ho na
o mi de me sika twa ha
Dada eti abrabomu experience say ubenyi ye meka say wani efie e di experience pa na wanya e wa abrabomu a meka say aboa in life
na maka no say nko na beji me hodie
okay
because who say eye wonko a because wo nyina oni dida wo ma me so papa so ona fofo ba enipa who say se nyame ti wo mu a na obi antimi nyo ohwa say ne oba de aba ka obi but the make can say nyame a wo hu no oba de akukun ana say but enipa na aba ya na de na ose obe yi wo say na wo sa ko boche empire bokra che nyame say urade wo hu say Nayas de wo yemi misro bi hia na mamemo no you see you are talking to who yourself
yeah
it is enipa wo hu say wa wo ni nyame enu nche say na aba wo nche say there see once there is a design no there it will designer
okay
say enipa na me hu no wo mu it is say me hwe wanim na mantimi anyo papa ana me ye obone a de wo bo wi ase me hu no no maye no bone esan say ye wo say ase obi wo ho ena ye kan asema kire no enti wo kudi bone kra o kan wiem kire no say urade me koyese ono ma wansa enti wo konso so na ye chewa wo se bonsam adom de dey no wa na ye you face the music enti nipa bia hu se wa wona nyame no wa wona bonsam
okay
enti se magi nyame de se me nyina di no oye me a osaye menua oye oba na bema apart from oba any bema wa hu bibi bia e wo wiase de o teche oye nyankopon na ye hu no oye asem ene nyina ye som no
abusiafo aha aye de ye pa ibi so aye toa enkomodie ne so na me carry say when go so a all share the experiences in life jumedie e wo Angel TV and the tree mono ya to ne di mama ne hunu nti mani adaho e di amane e ne to wa eni wani adaho ye go so aye ne dada kwakudua Dada KD ye ne no action kommo Dada KD anu munsem de ba akobọ fo ba wa hwe asase wo so be ba yet was we uba industry no wa wo sha e den ya enwuma wo tui nkofo bebre so e wo saa wo style na bi I mean wo sha challenges ben e na wanya e wo saa side nim ene dien e na wo ye ya up till now wo gusu gina wo na so a chese I mean nkofo do pa a chese enwum bi a wo de bebe bia no e fa challenges ben pa e na wanya wo saa na yemani
say challenges kakra menya makase menya na yese manko music school ana sa manjo no ba ni ti no
okay
who rest you now to ma won ho nti so be ha menyum no few songs bi na crofot me born life
yeah
ene de nyame na de chair nti ene de men kasa me ko ye ho training na say rehearsal nti no ene the only challenge say nenso we are say bibia na usi akoma pa na oye wa adwene na usi obu pise ene na abeya ni se metietie beginning na it mo say me ade kakra but a trainer me nyini na fe ko page me ni na fe no bruni so cheche me ne bi kakra ma me sum ho say okay sana djuma na tie say enipa na meka no ono be ye me nyame wonwum tu mu nti no obetrentro nti se me bompa na me hyele ma me dem a kama ehunu to asem ni nyina no nti nyame a me gini di no me gini di wo nipam esubam ene ne yem
okay
but sa oye nyame a sem di mani ehunu wo me da yesum no ene de ya adwene se asem a woni suo no na de koda yem
okay
men su obi a ho kwan e wo ne nyame som ho oji wo nyame di wo nyini ni o ade achi ade besa me sum timbu e de ya me yare ne momo yare ye de wo wa hwe wadi die me na wa hwe woni mabu yen so a enipa betim de ayo na same me tiwe me nyama dwere se sabi o medidi enuane basa bi
okay
ti bibia ma adwene yem say me sua bia me yen moderation enye too much and then so enye less much ti me de bia ma ye ho ne ho o say Bible mo say ube nyuna yinu
ube share
na kutu bu jobele obefu afanu me ho na person ya me fa because me mini ha na msheffi
yeah
it's good that way middle life and ababon middle class for ono risika bi ono also ehia no nti o so the me I always maintain that style because nipa enye se bebie ni ho pese obobra challenge ni ho
challenge o
bebie abeko bia bi ho
challenges wo ho
empaso kura challenge
of course
nti no obemanya medwene aye more
okay.
which is the positive aspect and consistency
yeah
na negative na less because eno de na ma woni tie negative enye bone
wonim se eno nso so na ye hwe ne papa ne bone no se nyame a yesom no wo hwe akoma no tuntum ne fitaa no se setem bia no
kasa na o kana nko be obi anim na o hira no ade a make ne eye mframa kasa ene ye de dada ye ho nyame a yesum du kuremu ha no Jesus o ka chem se wote ha na bi eye nipa na akokoso ye no se nipa akokoso te se wo ye me interview e bia me kasa ye bi ye ode na ye ofa na abakasa okay ade bi wo mu ose me boa ma ye ni
yeah
ba ye kuroma no se nyom na me 20 e bia me nkoma me die no obi timi time because oso onyinyame ni o ne ya ye me kuromu a mfiri ye mi a me se me nyinyame ni mawu no
I say na ye so serious say nipa nyame abo wa ba asase so ne ye som no na wo de utimi ka say wonyi nyame ni ye so strange
listen me nyame ni at a point enye se me pese me hunu so na tu na but ye hunu na ye honhom no e na odi bia ye wo se me enti at the day no se me bu na me serve na me worship a e ye ono na me hunu nyame ye kan American say kan me ka say boy kan ka twede bi se ka say
okay
ye nipa da better to
yeah
enti mo pa mo ntem ase na mo hia se nko se nyame nye nipa mo kan kire me
you dada me say bisa say edien experiences na from Ghana ha to Abrochi na wo san free back to Abrochi san bet na Ghana no edien experiences kakra bi bona tofa mayen na wonya
me ho say ya ngo Abrochi a o ye dia weather dey be too experience so dey say na oni tua nipa trafa ko a na oto wade so say the maker no say man tu kwa kwa man kama hu say nyame ya ye ka no oyeme a
oh okay
sans oyeme enti no e ma me hunu say me koye bibia me mfa hwe obi enti de me ye bia mani da ho enti men kan kire me say nyame ne ma me ko
Germany and I was bet na Ghana
me ana makogu sa awon mi ntimi biem so
Bravo no ntimi no
many cry me tie glasses people don't even know
okay
my near bohopen ama nyame nko asa me ka nyame nko beka so nyame na ma mani bo you see what the point kasa keke
e wa Abrochi wo
nyine no be bisa no na me tu kwan
oh okay
na I never knew say wo nyine na enema bi a ye no krom ha kwan yi mu atutu bu sisi sembebre but ye krom ode
yeah
no be ko internet so sembebre Abrochi no hu ni sa
David
e ho no e ma o it's like the system prepared you and I know so quite to say one utwausa
yeah
sa atene sa achi ha se wonamu ano it is sanity
okay
abena so bonti odin ba ya okọ
okay
kodwobrefo ba ya odin ba
okọ okay
ta ka me ne me ma na ya bi ne
okay dada ye de kasa no e ba wiye no odaroma abrabom waye bibia wanu hu a wotena se na wodwene ho a enkanei enkanei enka wonye wanu hu waye bibia wanu
de nyese bia me kan sa me nye bibia nu ho da
dada
asampana
are you serious
ade abenu ho so bia ne be bomb but it's okay because
of course because obi any we as your obeka so need life experiences
because be no me who instantly there kameka but maybe a passage of time no na eye ma adwen say bi na make me see me so me say me 12
okay
and manya munum I said the me better no you see what I mean
yeah
and it
okay
decision
okay
me am sem kan we nyame ne bonsam bi anim
okay
it say ne ma wo 5 na me ensa wo no ho na me no wa me no le ho mo tutu tiri ho a we susu nu hu at a point, they said, can I mean the everybody?
Okay.
I wouldn't have produced them.
Okay.
You see what I mean? Saba Break, I say, young Moshas as woman, I'm here, my some small free. 5 important to Eti any knew who I make us say, but any knew as at the time I may enjoy them. But a question and then no payment in any fees in the man. Oh, wow. Come here and come out. And no soon just a would me a man.
Okay.
Because a duty. So, obvious.
I said, the NT America son, yet the baby is here. Who does what German in Susua and Casa stress in your how I will come in and I did them all one hour when Jessica Crew with them all 1 hour to do. Cream. Sentina maybe sounds sabra, but boy, be no
make an answer, Miss Who instantly. So, who never afterwards.
After, okay.
Said a mechano, why, and I'm here no why. Okay. And I'm cooking. Afterwards, I felt, say, any name can make us know. Maybe I'm over and I'm you.
Okay.
I mean, what I saw my cock to her. You might. You also make a worry. So, job. Be I also at a point now, Mumbai, nothing now cost you free Yamia walking. Yeah. Said on Yamisi and Mosha, which means a castle. Yeah. But when him said, you man in the Yawuni panel. So, God, we are serving or worshiping. Or representing any other wedding. It is a macana, some senior me, Jinidi, and would nip him, and then me a moon as a young who know me in as a Muslim in Yaminia. On my family got 20.
That I had say, I go in shall say, I told Safra by and Pacho to the award show for now wrapping up for my not me Pacho, what she had the form as well my we are social media handles, no so far to you.
I didn't know Dada KD more. She will be a. Yeah. I'm a man in a movie as singing. Which I'm competitors, maybe haters, because maybe as mean town will be other. And almost so Casa Okoba. Yeah. As a malanco. Ruma yeti. As a banana can be a boy. Who call you to Musua boy. Into bed, maybe a madacra. You. But the Akin, if you two be so now, the Monday or show. Maybe 2 men 2 for as long as I made 2 for in our room. Okay. Some of my churches say, but the other kind of say, Usa go a day. Nemo a wound dear, infantry as because a who bowa. I have back of far a dear officer and in the bebo, but there is no shortcut. Yeah. I will abrabum. Will be back shortcut a bebo. Maybe out there with 3 years to cook. Shortcut here, they are so like. Body and one hour. Yeah. Only open no alcohol. Yabra bon hold you man here.
Dada KD, yeda was to say a tone safreo or by Yamin pa yeda say. Everything for yedo BBS say unya bre now share the experiences in life. Ayatu ni din say my money nunti many ada ho tumedie ewo Angel TV. Nyankopon onhira pa. Na wodi say enwie afei ne ne counselors ekukuda matitru for eba betna say na yaje omoso so omadwenkyere. Nyankopon onhira say unya bre na ohweye na obesan nya bre wasan atena say ene counselors no atwetwe nkommo. Nyame nhira. Me a me di dwumadi emu chia me dia eye original Nayas bakope.
Welcome to Trinity of Arc. We are assisting people gaining their visas to the various countries.
We are teacher, accountant, anasa office assistant. We are construction worker, plumber, driver, anasa security. Our person who took wine Canada, USA, UK, Europe countries. Ne amaya hodwa ekaka hunyina. And they're not for when it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ya bua ema wonya ejuma accommodation. Ya sanso ebua hwese. Kubenya insurance
we are calling for people who want to study alone or to work alone. People who want to study and work at the same time.
So what person utu kwine wokoto and now person who call for visitor. When it's Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Trinity of Arc, we connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world. Madam
Hello, good afternoon. Me name Ghana for more diaspora. My twamo baby I will be from Unisofori. I me wo US me Miami and Sam me sansu and nurse. And come on me no one say online digital business I cost and then I'm a person me no more check. Baby I will be a family na. That's open bibia ya ma open change in kwandia and no any online digital business ya yebo hu the way. Ade ka see a woman say business utimi your baby ya. The answer was laptop, computer, internet wa connect no one no. You were mentor ni coach. Obedi de utata kopi mu tama wankasa won say yes. Why you successful in the business? I finish one. Government member 1099. I'm one write you off for tax as a business owner. Before many measure, a sign said the business na no. So when you and so catch it. Frame na make every detail of the business. Now also up to me be successful. And then now I'll meet you in the inside. Bye bye.
Ebusia for Mudafo Nayas. Me and America say.
Your friend with your floss Anan, the doubting Thomas. Me say echinienti ena mpanyimfo se yekum sonko nsuo a ne yehwia ahwe.
Sa wo pesa wo ye obasima.
Se wo pe African wear a wo be pam a be da wo ho for all occasions dia.
Me kampo baby ba ko pe ene dia ma wo. Eye kwabna adoma.
Obepam African wear dia maw ama wahya na da ho ma wo ba obi hu say yes we a gentleman.
Womo pam mema niema, womo pam maniema, womo wo bags, womo wo shoes. Enya dia wo na ma na etiti anade wo tena ase a na ade trene bi ogu.
Enya no nko a osanso wo slippers.
Omo wo in between Hatcho and the West Legon. ICJC asori ne nchen ho a.
Fa number no keke. Now the friend no, o friend na onu gbedi nkomo obeye wasedi ama.
Yes, Sky Gap Trends. Pampenado mama shop back yi. Na hadie abrochire niema nkoa ene yeton wa ha sei. Titiru eye tech niema a eye original. Yeton bags, shoes. Tese bibia esiesie nipa. Ema wudi mu na wo ya brantie anase rabadie. Eye Sky Gap Trend back ope a omo alaji Tabora wonsani fa ho a eba African wear dia eye kwabnado ma eba abrochire niema ene tech niema papa dia eye Sky Gap Trends. Memo wakwa ababiem e de mobile experiences in life media wo hwe bedofo yakosho Dada KD akosem aba ene eniema miensa e na mepese e ka ho asem e wo ne interview a oni ye na ne nsem a obeka wo o se jealousy, enviness and respect inti ene yensa aka mianka sankasa me papa, my handsome papa, counselor, Kwaku, Edum, Ata, Ewaha, any better drink. Papa.
My whole fair. But this year,
Papa,
the toffee be. Should I go on?
Yes, please.
What's the schedule for manager teams?
Yeah, me papa.
You're looking good.
Thank
You're looking
so
splendid.
much.
I like the zigzagging of
you.
Thank you. And it gives you a picture, say. People find it difficult to know who you are. The dress you wear.
Thank you.
Yes.
I mean, sure. We foot to the tembia, me say, wa, or shame crying. Oh, mammy, need that so. Papa says, yeah, me chrome casa so.
Many good people.
Asantuna say baby inyo mpocho ya akoshe Dada KD ne nsem na aba na enyeme baasa eye niema miensa ene yepese ka ho asem obu respect ena enviness ena jealousy nti enne me pese oni ye ehye wo ho sei nipa unyia sa niema no uhia e wa brabom se obema no edi wuso ana edi wanim kan na wo de nyia na. Yeah.
Great. Nayas me that say, you bet you will be your shade on TV wherever you are.
Yeah.
Mami saluted Dada KD.
Okay.
Wakasa.
Yeah, Michelle.
And akolebia wo teens mo. You should listen to this very video.
Okay.
Because the why you say
okay.
Or set parameters man or set boundaries man say se me pese me nyini na me ye bema peni papa dia or se me di buo emma in other words I should plant respect in me na me nyi enviness.
Okay. Okay.
Not jealousy, I should kill it. Very powerful tool we use.
Okay.
And I'm glad to say, this is where the problem is.
Okay.
And this is where we need to now address. Nayas, that make us say, udru teens, the way to me, you do not ask yourself, who are you?
Who are you?
In other words, if you cannot define yourself, okay, yeah, your course I too, your course secondary school, no. Every subject at secondary school, there's a definition.
Yeah.
I didn't think that there is a definition for every subject. It means it starts you off in life. It won't do the teenage. You know. What is your definition in life?
Yeah.
We don't tell our children these things. But Obi will go through hardship. Obi on you be better now. Obi who say Abrabono is not like cozy as I wanted. They are able to get this. Obi are hustlers. They set parameters for themselves.
Yeah.
They set boundaries for themselves. And that the KD it goes into it.
Yeah.
81. You must be able to define yourself.
Okay.
Now that makes say in defining yourself, you know, man throw too long a sentence.
Okay.
Just look for words that will enable you to go. So if you look at Dada KD, will to be defining with what respect, take envy and jealousy out of it. Then out of that, come determine who you are. Now in determining yourself, everything you do, everything you say, everywhere you go, you should know.
Yeah.
And yes, say yes, me continue makeup.
Okay.
I know. And that's where you're determining yourself.
Okay.
And then the third one, you need to now develop yourself. So I've given you 3 Ds.
Yeah.
You need to know these 3 Ds.
Okay.
Define who you are, determine yourself, and then develop yourself. In developing yourself, be new every day.
Yeah.
Be new every second. We don't do this.
Yeah.
But I believe that the KD did that. Now the first thing I can say, Nayas, let me say this. It is not respect, but respect becomes a result of honoring. Say, obi ne boa wo, obi ne de obaye, obi ne boa wo, obi ne ma wo ko hu baby. If you are honoring that person, there is respect.
There is respect. Okay.
So nobody forces you to respect. Respect comes because you honor the person and what the person is doing. No, it's honoring.
Honoring, okay.
But from ono baby I want to say no name how to honor people. It what they respect the basis, which is right. Because if you do not honor me, you will not respect me.
Okay.
In other words, somebody says, if you don't see the value in me, why would you follow me? That is exactly what it means.
Okay.
So every youth must start looking for who must I honor? What do I honor?
Yeah.
Where do I honor? And why am I honoring? Seriously. I will never see anybody on the street. Because fantastic.
Yes.
And my approach towards the person, it shows I am honoring you.
Okay.
So respect is not from me. Respect is a resultant of the fact that you honor me.
Okay.
If you honor people, you become great. Anybody who honors,
great person.
Great. Because when we say me bu onti me chia kra no me bre me ho ase. Eti say embrace wo like wanting to calm down to receive blessing and all that. The Northerners, they have that. The Volta regions aspect, they have Nigerians. You could see it's that concept of honoring.
Yeah.
And anybody who honors, automatically people say you respect. And every door will open to you when you honor. Emma, and you're honoring. How do you honor the man counts? What about you when he? What show me? People should know this. And yes, I may come a poucho, Miss Snow, and no. Honoring, it's your definition of how value people mean to you. It is if you don't place value on people, it won't work. That is why I say that in marriage, you don't respect me, you must honor me.
Okay.
If you honor me in serving, I will see honoring.
Okay.
In giving me water to drink, I will see honoring.
Okay.
One for a man as a J. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And so at the end of your act, I look at this, Nayas, you are respectful. So respect is a concluding aspect of what you do by honoring people. And that is the first point every youth.
The most important thing.
There are a tossubium, which I call the demeses of life. The ills of life, the devils of life. Obi bia or envy obi.
Yeah.
Because what day ni wani mo nyam ni wadisua wosua nyina wo de what about you yourself? What is it that you can do? What is it that he or she had done that you can do? I mean to know you are envying the person because what wanna mean ni and na me pedia or say or wono na me ya be comedy and so what?
So what?
I don't know, Mr. Say, if a crime bear so and of fire at the end of buy and the man to be getting that sort of area. And you must remember I mean groom
yes.
Or quadruno. Anyone who envies is lazy. Anyone who envies is wicked. Anyone who envies is evil. Because the moment of buying Shannon probably here. Yeah, for me, what is that?
Yeah.
Right from the word go, you've lost your purpose of which God
Wisdom
gave you.
is talking.
Yes, you've lost it. Never envy anybody. Never envy. In fact, if possible, envy yourself.
Envy yourself, okay.
Now, if in envying myself, I go like a dear woman at Tusini. Then I will start pick up the pieces and say, oh, the way I'm saying Kasanya, let me improve it. And when you identify these spots, you become great.
Okay.
Envy is the devil of your life.
Okay.
Anybody who envies do not grow.
Papa, you perceive bisa say na mafo na aba no. On said do na hu we na ade we die hye we mi pebi. On say we kitaka we die se mi nya bi. On say we shatare bi a say e bi kura na fi ofiri mu nyew. Enso wo be ya se mi nya bi wo be ya. Okay.
Oya nyen. Eba ne say no nya obusa. Ehim wo call no nya obusa. And to such people you realize that busa afi also oko obi ho. Oko dunsini bi ho. Oko edronsu bi ho. Na okokum obi di akoyo. No. Oya nyen. Bibi si na niso a won pebre.
Say so de namafo a ya bai say the esi e de sununu asa chinchina
we've lost it. You lose focus. Those days near read Shakespeare.
Okay.
I was a literature student.
Okay.
And the works of Shakespeare you need to read. Chaucer, we need to read.
Oh.
And then you read it. You're quick, wanting to become like them. Want to become like, hey, where is tomorrow? Miss Sono, there's this book, If Tomorrow Comes, written by Sidney Sheldon. Now, who title, no, I thought it's something that project my tomorrow. I want to have a few. Oh, because we did book and say plotting coup, assassinating president and all that. But I like the title to today. If Tomorrow Comes. Metiwa alone. Let me meditate here. That's what I ask. As I sit here in the next 6 a.m., what becomes of me? Baby, I'm a call. Whose call must I pick before I sleep? So of course, who I am picking.
Oh, okay.
It will distort you. You control yourself. You are the radar of yourself. Nobody radars you. At the moment you let somebody radar you, it means that you are under the feet of the person.
Yeah.
All right? And he said, and it's all about me person me yet to send Nayas. Only maybe of the buy.
Maybe.
Brawa bre.
Yeah.
From Germany to Ghana.
Yeah, easy.
And no me catch over you. Okay. Now, so you looking at me now and thinking you can become like me. Wait, see, it's a wrong footing. The right way is Ufrihi ne baye. Edie no ye. Adesua ban no sua ye. Why unche no tena ye. Why no no kasa. So you are learning, you want to become, you cannot become like her, but at least you have a trait of her. Your definition of ochena no mean to me defining sadia no to myself.
Yes.
So it's a wrong radar. Eti me pese Saturday we watch on TV na yakucha baby so poverty na nkofo beg. I hate it.
Okay.
Why? We all have been poor before. And you if you preoccupy no pipe musu.
Baby.
Obia wo feel crassy bia, which of course all of us feel crassy.
Feel crassy, yeah.
Ya sa esu etene.
Fomusu.
Ye tie
Yeah.
So don't let your environment carve you and say that is who you are. Okay. Your mindset is the golden tool of your life.
Daddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Ye pesi bisa say o pesa o train say artist no awo mo tonwom no hip life, high life, gospel no o mo pra bo nsem e na o mo de tonwom na na o mo de tronwom na.
Yes.
Okay.
What I believe is that the wafemu the wahu the watie the wasumu. These are called your senses. It gives you a living evidence of yourself. It's good. Okay. But say uko wiobinum. Ukoji obiade. Na dia beto no aka se wo na auto ye. Wait. You've lost track. Because you see me by cry no. Okay. And he said me was talent now. What I will do is that I will build it together and then bring something out there.
Okay.
Dear me who ye woman kasai. A dear wisdom never to me pick it out of it. So yes, what bomunsum or life.
Okay.
Yeah, wafemu. Yes, it's good. Okay. Because I don't know you pass on a message of dear me go through me.
Okay.
Tie dear make no. Na also femu aba.
Femu aba.
Obo ha no odobia ode no ho kof ben no. Wa ye de buburo. Eti enyum sounds like odonye.
Oh.
No, be so to say, me don't be a minya, ye, minya me.
Okay.
Okay. You've got two worlds. One tells you bad love, good love. Now it's up to you, the listener, to join the two together.
Daddy, I mean, sure. See, me pacho, what I romance, my akenya, no, a foot to be na de mama.
Oh, dear, me can say, yenina, yen set it up barriers.
Okay.
The do's and don'ts of our lives.
Okay.
O pesa will say our best.
Obese. Ampa
o pesa will say our best. So what's will be ye? So what's the one ya da? Okay. So what's will be ya obey? And Sadia Nayas peer pressure. No! Nobody should put a pressure on you when you can reason and ask yourself, why am I doing this? If I can define myself, know who I am, nobody should put pressure. The only person that can put pressure on you is God.
It's God.
A friend said, you had to take re. Ganja kakra. I remember Form 1. I mean, when we were all there. Nasi no smile, no. Akwa do test days about them.
Oh, okay.
But you can say, no, we'll do it. We didn't come here to come and do this. We all run away. Yes. I go do. Senior, I go do. I mean, for the currency. But I want people to know that you are yourself.
Yeah.
And you are so powerful. You are the decider of your life. Whether it will be well or not, you create it.
You create it, okay.
Stop accusing people. Stop pointing fingers at people. It's you.
It's you. Counselor.
Yes, ma'am.
Papa.
Yes, ma'am.
Counselor, Kweku, Edumata. It didn't hear me there because they be a make say, Minya no one share a crown. I mean, mammy, a bushy na ye admire so much. Just say, make a train. Na na any just said ne uba show we so. Papa, ye hiao, wadaroma, for our telephone number. Etu jamaye because na mafua yaba. Any pabebre, hiao. Here tembia we futu nchre. Ye hiao. Just say we need you. To me patrol telephone number for tu jamaye.
My number is 027 4160641. 027 4160641. But because of rounds into me WhatsApps and voice note.
Okay.
And then need to me, but you can still be calling. But over a free 3 going, 3 p.m.
Okay, 3 p.m.
And I can have access on
me. Counselor, Kwaku Edumata, me producer say we didn't hear it. Oh, me producer, Pewasem Power, Anita Joe's friend. Oh, Pewasem so much.
Na me nimu too much, but one more observing me. And then baby, I was me, ha na. So yeah, when I was who did me, hey!
Oh, you're good.
Oh, you're too good.
She's so hard-working lady.
You're fortunate to have a person like that.
Yes, I'm so proud of her.
There is something we call passion.
Yeah.
It's different from love.
Yeah.
Passion is inbuilt. And I think Anita has it.
Yeah.
And a sense of humor. This sense of humor, the town will be
because they be an osre.
Exactly.
Why you serious on ejuma ho? Okita clean heart, nyamisha no. Papa, counselor nyamisha, see a tune safre o. Okay,
thank you so much.
Ebusia for aha ena breno ebema kwan. Ye di dwumadi no, ye di esi. Ena se kese enkoma maboafo nyina. Titiri eye Trinity of Arc Limited Company. Ghana yedin. Ghana ayehye. Medofo se wo pe baby etu kwan akọ ni chiremu a amono ne baby a travel and tour papa a ewiye bri Ghana yedin ya yewomi wo pese omode utu kwan a document papa genuine visa unkoka kwan so ne yensan indeport wo mba na wo kọ a adwumasem aye easy amount a eye Trinity of Arc Limited Company. One number in the 0244 06 2389 0244 06 2389. One location Wakaswa New Market wa in a one. But Diana Frewom, one more year promotion ko na kwajiwa kwentu safwa. Afi CJ Multimedia sa won eton sa afrem. Uweni swadi hu bia opese utwa movie and we production metra cameras sound light bibibia na won assign amount editor papa dia medofo enko bia won wola pass frɛ won number 0545 059319 me bo number ni bi 0545 059319 CJ Multimedia se baby bia wo bia sika ketua bi ekita ro o de fabra oba kyerɛ won niema opese wonye wo mo beboa afei kwabena adoma fashion se baby bia wo bia no wo mo to wo mo boase epam African way ayeshada aye e wo ye man yi mu ase babode ya na frɛ won on location or Hachu West Legon in between ICGC asori hwa enomo won numbers no e twegu e wo screen enim frɛ won kwabena adoma fashion afi Park View Hotel say Ghana baby a wo bia o pepe bia da adwodwo ho ama wo ho ato na waye safe won security eye tight won be ma waduane papa di won wo swimming pool che say udu hotel ho a wo say yes wadu fie Park View Hotel won wo do me pillar 2 cable junction ho a na won wo pomodia na fa won number no na etwagu e wo screen nanim no afi manim eye Beauty Empire Makeover na ama me ho ayefe de bia obehu mi bia on say hu mi na masesa me te yire foundation ni ndo so we nya mota na yetete ye ni first coat second coat third coat ni be me pacho we dey coach ba kope o ye wedding engagement party ana baby bia wo bia bro cherefo yi se wo bedru Ghana na program bia wo ko wo pese wo ye rapa dia eye Beauty Empire Makeover baby bia wo bia obe make over ama wa ye rapa udru baby a wo kona obe sebi obuo beba ho wo number etwegu e wo screen anim bomode na frɛ won afi enwi ehemi efri lash hair GH lash hair GH 7 country say baby bia wo bia on location ewo Dome kwa benya Regimanual Estate enchen ho na wonwo frɛ won number yi enwi ahoro a wopɛ bia no wo abroche baby a ebe delivery e di abro lash hair GH pomodiana na frɛ won contact won wate atare ehemi efri ladies unisex boutique won wasare botwe school junction wa na won wo baby bia wuko bia bomodin na frɛ won number na etwegu e wo screen anim frɛ won ye be delivery abro ye sales bomodin na kɔ ho sisia ebusua chimedi a yedi opese oso yase ye boy ye humodin Bible said you ofrudu yapa ye piano eniyeme bia woton fabre ebebo ho deru e dia maw bomode na contact ye number c 0244 506 706 0244 506 706 and 0244 605647 etwagu e go screen ni Jewelries apapa party baby ba ko pe na me Nayas magietum e wo Ghana kru mu ye man mu hade ai ye the boy fashion jewelries say upe bi atu wo amono ne baby a na se upe bi ato jewelries apapa pato na animunyam eni eraba aba ho wo di siesie ho a wahu say yes we de wow ni a baby ba ko pe the boy fashion jewelries one wakra contact one numbers no in etwegu eweni mo na ase kese enkoma ye crew ni nyina titru miami producer Anita just friend Nyankopon shira no maka cho say ushia me a experiences in life maka cho say mama ne hunu nti mani ata ho nsɔhwɛ bɛn na akoma enei wani ata hɔ no experiences in life yeto nsafrɛ wɔ na wakɔ haw amane nsɔhwɛ nyinam ye ne wɔ na tena se atwetwe nkɔmɔ na yewie a yenwie yo yeto nsafrɛ ekuku damfo emomo ba ishow ne so bidofo to nsafrɛ bebi a wo bia ye beba midia eye original Nayas bakope chia bruchifo and you bibia makramo I love you
I'm so happy watching my mesmerized body eyes. 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 I'm so happy watching my mesmerized body eyes.
This program is proudly sponsored by
Trinity of Art. We connect Ghana and beyond to the whole world.
Eye kwabna adoma